What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. I have here the Heretic Knives Hydra. We just got these in for 2021. This one is full carbon fiber, flame tie, pocket clip, and push button safety switch. Charging handle is flame tie. These fire like a rocket. This is Tanto two-tone. We also have green, Tanto Stonewash. We got blacked out DLC, murdered out. Got the cool pocket clip on these like last time. And then here is the blue. This is drop point. We got a lot of different flavors, guys. We got breakthrough colors as well. We've got this breakthrough green, so it's got kind of a distressed green look to it. Super cool. A lot of options. EKNIVES.com. They also come with this new packaging, so it's got two slots, one for the knife, one for this free bottle of Heretic Knives lube. That stuff is great. They also comes with a Velcro closure now, so props to Heretic for doing this to their packaging. It's pretty cool. EKNIVES.com, guys, 423-525-9477.